I feel like if guys are really sober and they want some change in this country, definitely Omtatah is the way to go.
But you guys, just because you've been winning court cases doesn't mean you can be a leader of men, bro.
We've not said just because you've been leading court cases. This guy has a blueprint. He has a plan for this country.
What plan?
If you listen to the things that he says, especially about corruption, our main issue is corruption.
He challenged this Affordable Housing Act petition. He challenged he went against, corruption in this country. Some of the main problems that are actually affecting each one of us. And for you to see someone who's actually standing up for the Kenyan people and speaking for them, go on. Go
but
do it.
I've seen some of the plans, guys.
Yeah.
Some of the plans that he's outlined for the country if he wins the presidency. Number one, constitutionalism and the rule of law. He says the law must apply to everybody and in all transactions. Physical discipline. Omtatah said the government will institute physical discipline to fix the shaky public finances and structures, including the elimination of corruption and wastage.
Absolutely.
What does that even mean? Physical discipline.
You're gonna find people being slapped in the middle of the
No. What it means is that you're not just gonna be there to put on dictatorial rules and people are gonna stand by and watch you, which means that you'd rather be arrested for being, doing the wrong things.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, you heard what he was saying at Spice. Can I quote what he was saying today?
Yeah, sure.
He was saying, a president should not walk into a project and dictate 200 million shillings to be poured here. Is it in the budget? Question. The budget must be restored as the primary tool of governance in the country. So as in, let's just follow the constitution, because that's what he always fights for. Let's make sure that we're following the laws and abiding. Is this the budget for this road? It's 200 million shillings. Can we justify what it's going to do? At the end of the project, let's see if that 200 million has actually gone into the service.
I agree, man, because our public system is messed up, especially guys in procurement. Kila mtu lazima kule.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Those are the true culprits when it comes to this conversation for corruption. Now, some of the other plans that he has is, of course, food security and universal healthcare. He says he's going to liberate the food industry from the cartels completely by restoring institutions that allowed farmers to control the industry. And then health.
Do it.
He explained that the universal healthcare cannot run based on private hospitals. Transport. Omtatah said that transport is a major hindrance to Kenya's development since the government has left it totally to the private sector. He announced plans to intervene in some very specific ways and look at public transport as a strategic area. Is that possible? Guys, we talk to us on the hashtag After Hours on Spice. You know what? I think Omtatah has a shot if the Gen Zs back him.
Yeah.
Spice.